In 1849, thousands of people ran west with a shovel and a dream. Most found dirt. All of them found new vocabulary. Here are 8 idioms from the gold rush. Number 1, hit pay dirt. Dig, 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 nothing, nothing. Then suddenly the shovel sparkles. Hitting pay dirt means finally striking the fine that pays for everything. Number 2, pan out. Swirl the gravel, wash the mud, and see what stays in the pan. If gold remains, it panned out. Panning out means turning out well in the end. Number 3, a flash in the pan. One glorious glint in the gravel, and then nothing ever again. A flash in the pan is early sparkle with no follow-through. One hit, no second act. Number 4, stake a claim. 4 wooden stakes in the ground, and this patch of river is officially yours. Staking a claim means publicly declaring something belongs to you. Number 5, the mother lode. Every little vein of gold branches something bigger. Find the source, and you never dig again. The mother lode is the biggest prize of all. Number 6, the bottom of the barrel. The good pork was on top. What is down there now is, technically, food. The bottom of the barrel means the worst that is left after everyone else chose. Number 7, fool's gold. It glitters, it shines. It is worth exactly nothing. Fool's gold is the worthless thing that looks precious until an expert stops laughing. Number 8, a gold mine. Some finds pay once. A gold mine pays every single day you show up with a cart. A gold mine is any source of value that just keeps giving. And that is 8 idioms from the gold rush. Keep digging. Your pay dirt is down there somewhere. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.